Happy Friday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Go ahead and follow me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Okay, go ahead and hashtag your mood below. If you're new to me, welcome. Say hi, say hello. What's your mood? Go ahead and let me know. My mood is I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, y'all. I'm obsessed. What am I obsessed with? Just look at me. I got a nightgown that says Ready, Set, Real Estate. I got dresses that say Ready, Set, Real Estate. I see the t-shirt. I got the snapback. I'm obsessed. I'm clearly obsessed right now. And it's because I'm very clear about my vision, which I'm going to appreciate this segment of Shift Your Thinking. You've got to be obsessed about what you want in life. And it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. That's where I am. It does not matter what anybody else thinks. Right now, it doesn't matter what people think. What matters is what Lisa thinks. I have boundaries. I have personal goals. I have professional goals. That's what personal development means. That's what self-esteem is. This is my obsession. What I stand for, what my brand stands for, what my purpose is. I'm obsessed, y'all. I'm obsessed. So I can go on. And I mean, I almost did this as a live because I feel a message in me. So let's see what comes out. Go ahead and by the way, for loyal supporters, for those of you who have been rocking with me, I definitely would like to invite you to subscribe for just $5 a month and have access to exclusive content as part of the Ready, Set, Real Estate series and videos, posts, and the lives, including discounts and merch and so much more. Just for $5 a month that continue to support my work, creation, and the channel. Do know that normally the workshops and the webinars range from anywhere from $15 to $35. However, for $5 a month, you have access to that information, and some. And I think I'm currently offering maybe about 3 or 4 webinars and workshops throughout the month, giving you some bonus content here and there. But I'm only now going to do that for just loyal subscribers, loyal supporters. For those of you who really are resonating with what I'm saying. For those of you who are not, that's cool. Keep scrolling. So also make sure you turn on post notifications. That way you don't miss any new episodes as I upload them. Connect with me on all your favorite social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. IGTV, my phone, by the way, was maxed in memory, so I haven't been uploading the IGTV, which is why I get connected on the radio podcast. The shows have still been uploading there. IGTV, you guys haven't gotten the past 5 episodes, I think, and the podcast people have, the YouTube people have, the Facebook people have. So which is why it's important that I'm everywhere, because when one system goes down, or something's going on with one platform, I still am putting out the content. So wherever you are, you can find me there too, at lasuperagent. Also, you want to check out what's happening on the site and what I'm creating. Go ahead and type your email address at lasuperagent.com. Give you access to what's going on with me, because we're continually growing, and that's why I decided to create the loyalty supporter option, is because I'm starting to offer some really in-depth content that's really on an exclusive basis. I'm not offering that anywhere else. Why? Because that's for this. All right. And know, whatever you invest and support in me, it allows me, it gives you 2 options. You can support directly to the nonprofit, donate Real Estate 100 Youth, or You can invest in me, get a merch, t-shirt, webinar, or something, experience something. A portion of those proceeds I use to support the nonprofit and continue to do the work that we are doing for the youth community, including now this summer I'll be teaching a youth summer program. Locally, the kids will be learning real estate with me for 4 weeks. All right, doing that again. So, I'm out here putting in the work. It's all good. It's all good. Somebody's got to do it, and I'm happy to do it. I love to do it. All right, so let's start. He says, I'm going to caption this episode, Endgame. He says, get to know the point of no return. Imagine a world where every goal set forth was realized. He says, now imagine that economy looks a little different than the one we're in, doesn't it? He says, the battlefield of goals leaves many casualties. Perhaps 1 out of 10 actually make it to maturity, if that. He says, so many goals, so few met. Go ahead and press 1 if you've set goals that you haven't accomplished. I'm thinking about that. I'm working on those goals. And it's not because I'm discouraged. Completely motivated. Where are you with your goals? Think about this. He says one of the reasons goals are unmet and dreams aren't realized is because they often don't get to that critical point. The point of where you clearly know there will be an actual return on your efforts. That's where I'm obsessed, is because I know for a fact my goals are going to be met. I know my goals are going to have a return. I know that I'm going to have chapters across this country for our nonprofit organization. We will be the Boys and Girls Club of the real estate industry. We will be grooming the next youth for this career. I know that we'll be closing that wealth gap and disparity for underrepresented communities. I know that Ready Set Real Estate is going to be that brand that represents real estate education, information, empowerment for real estate enthusiasts and the real estate industry. I know that. It's a non-negotiable for me. What do you know about your goals? Are you obsessed? I'm so clear on my vision, y'all. I'm telling you, let me share how clear I am with this. I kid you not, I sleep with this hat. I've got a nightgown that says Ready Set Real Estate. I sleep in it. Are you obsessed to that point? He says, typically, people will start goals with ample enthusiasm only to lose motivation because the evidence of the initiative hasn't arrived yet. He says, as a result of there being no visible return, short-sightedness sets in, the commitment languishes, and things die off only to happen again and again. The crazy thing is, the goal never gets hurt, as it has no feelings. When goals are abandoned, it is we who pay the price. Langston Hughes said, dreams deferred. Dreams deferred. Like a raisin in the sun. He says, our confidence suffers, our resources dwindle, and our emotions and reputation take the hit, while the goal sits there and says, hey pal, hey Lisa, I'm still here. You can come back. I'll take you back. Let's go again. I love that. He says goals are designed to help us, not hurt us, further us, not stop us, and make us feel a sense of accomplishment and not hopelessness. He says the point of no return, however, requires tenacity to get there. It's nothing more than simply going again. It's a stay focused, stay committed mindset that is return showing up all over the place. He says, including in our spirit type in my spirit. Bottom line, in order for the value to show up, comfort and convenience have to be the sideline until the returns hit that critical point. What's your end game, baby? What's your end game?